guys, welcome back to Real Cafe Girl. If you haven't seen me before, hi, hello, how are you? Don't forget to subscribe and check out the other video that I have as well. So as the title say, is unboxing my haul from Boxing Day sale 2019 in Sydney, Australia here. I thought I'm not gonna get a lot. I did get something that I want, a few things that I wanted. It wasn't there, already sold out. I'm not gonna be sad it's not there. I got a lot of stuff already. I just said okay, it's on sale 30, 40, 50% off. It's really good, something that I will use. And here we go. I just went to walk around the city. Last year I wasn't here. I went to holiday in Thailand to see my family, and yeah, and my husband and my mom was here, and the sale was crazy. It's crazy, but it wasn't as bad as I thought it's gonna be. Just certain part, and just people just walk around, and some people just don't buy anything. It just, I don't know why are they there, you know. It's very confusing. But anyway, let's go to the list. What I got first, I went to Lush because they have 50% off. Not everything, but like Christmas pack. I'm about to show you, and certain stuff that wasn't on sale but I want to try. Anyway, got a bit actually, because 50% off is pretty good for Lush, because I don't see Lush go on sale at all. I think they're only on sale on Christmas, like Boxing Day like this, which I got the experimenter. So I'm gonna quickly show you the bubble bath. It's very nice. It's kind of, how pretty is this color? Yeah. What is this one? It is citric acid perfume poppy candy. Oh, it's gonna be popping. And Tonga absolute vanilla absolute cream of tartar. Smell very sweet. Okay, so that I haven't tried. It's good to try. It was 50% off as well. And this is one of my very favorite one, Guardian of the Forest. It's the green one, and I think they generally bring it out on Christmas time. There's a few that look similar to this, but this is the one that I really like. It smells so good. It's almost like, it smells like cleaning product. It's very nice. So I got two of those, 50% off. It's like, you know, $4 something each. And I haven't tried the dusting powder, so it was 50% off. So sleeping dust and fairy dust. I like this. It's a very sweet smell. And sleepy dust, I think this is more like a lavender smell for body dust. So 50% off. So those two. So I'm gonna give it a go. Then I got this box here from Lush as well. They got lots of stuff in here, so 50% off, not bad. And it's a tin, so I can reuse the tin. So I'm gonna open it up, because I don't have a bath every day, but when I do, I put the bath bomb in there, and because this week on the water shortage here. So, oh, hang on, some. I know this one has what you call this, the lip scrub. Where I was going to buy, it was on sale anyway, and yeah, and it's kind of in here, so might as well get them. So I'm gonna get rid of that. 30% off or something. This is the peppermint one from Dr. Bronner. We have the sample pack, the smaller bottle. I really like it and lasts so long. So there you go. Bye. Anyway, go back to Lush. Lip scrub. So there you go. Galaxy lip scrub, and it's blue. Smell so good. So that's one thing that I want in the box. And also have the small fairy dust bath, liquid bath gel. So then what is this one? Snow Fairy body conditioner. in the box as well. Then we have soap, I think. This so soothing star soap. Got lime oil in there and coconut oil and bergamot oil. It's really nice. So this is shooting star soap. This one I never buy anything on the stick from Lush before, and it's called Magic Wand. Reusable bubble bath is lime oil as well, musk. Smell very nice. So that's Magic Wand. Then I had used this one before, Shooting Star bath bomb. I like this one as well. This tin are very good. And also Twilight, I did use Twilight as well. I had purchased them many times before. Also Twilight. So that's what in this purple tin here. So 50% off is pretty good. There you go. Then I only saw one left on the shelf there, so 50% off again. I have 3 bath bomb. Oh, 4 bath. Oops, bath bomb. Let's see what else do they have in there. Got the one big one. So I'm gonna recycle this. So this is the box. Festive as you self. So this is the box. Cool. It's retail from 50% off is $26. Really good. So if you willing to line up and go to Lush on Boxing Day, I really recommended it. So anyway, we got candy cane. I think I brought this one last year. I quite like that as well. How cute is this? Then I have Jingle Bell. Cute. With the red bow there. So this was in there as well. Haven't used that before, so it's good to try. And Elf Bomb Bar. I almost brought this individual, so it's really good price to buy in the box here. So it's really cute. It's giant one, so I think you can use it twice, like half on one, half on the other time, or you feel luscious like the name suggests, use them all. But I think I do half and half, otherwise too much. Sorry. Last on this box is Fireball. I haven't seen this one before myself, so everything smells good for Lush. But lots of bath bomb. I don't think I had to buy bath bomb for a long time. And last but not least is the mousse one. It's retail for $47, so it's $23 I bought this box from, because it's pretty good. And you got the wrapper as well, which I use on my headband, which is good because it's really stay on your headband. So let's see what's inside here. Ooh. A few stuff in here. Oh yeah, I want to try the bear one, which is this one, so I don't need to buy it. It's a small box, so there's a lot in it. So let's go to the list what in here. Wow, this is very good value for nanny box as well. So anyway, they got the Christmas camel. So it's very cute, but I didn't buy it individually, so it's good to be in the box. And you have Rudolph here, which is very cute. You open them up, they have a little reindeer coming up that way. Then you got bear. This is the one I want to try. Polar bear punch. I think it smells quite minty. How cute is this polar bear? Then last but not least is butter bear. This one of the very famous one as well. And of course the last thing is Toothie Tap. So it's like a toothpaste in the tablet, so you chew them and use it as toothpaste. Very curious about it, and I'll make video how I use them together with you guys. The battery was running out on me anyway, and the last thing was the toothpaste, so I'm gonna do that. And this is the cloth, so you can fold them up like a bandana, or you can use this the headband. It stays very well because it's cotton. It has a little bit of gift to it, so go like so and just tie them up. They have the other one as well, but if it's cotton, it seems to stay on your head a little bit more. And there you go. That is the haul from Lush. Then my husband wanna get the head, we call it hair product. It's called Layrit or Rayline, I don't know. So get half price off. We found the last one on the bucket from Gen Z. There is massive one. It's like a couple months for him, and he just ran out. And lucky I got a discount eye on, so there's some damage on the packaging. So this went on the sale bucket. So we picked this one up instead of the full price one. So save some money on that one for my husband. Then I have to put my bath bomb into the cabinet because it's a lot more, so I need to put it up for some time. Then I went to Myers to benefit counter because they have really good sale, and I might give some to my mom as well. I bought 15 from benefit. So we get this. So I got this one. So the box is really cute, so I can use the box as well. So what inside is Hula Benefit, the eyebrow gel. I think that's the clear one. Everything full size. I haven't tried professional, but it's apparently it's very good. So I'm gonna give that a go as well. So it's put in this box. And Hula, of course, the famous Hula bronzer. I have this one, the Bad Girl Bang mascara in the past on the sample on the past, and I do really like them as well, but I didn't repurchase because generally it takes me a while to finish all mascara, and then generally I pay a little bit more for mascara. And the other box, you see what I mean. So this is it in here, very cute. I was going to buy another one, enough. But there's something that I will use. One more thing from benefit, because I start to draw up my brow again, and I share a lot of stuff with my mom, which she start to draw on her brow as well. So I got this pack here, also 40% off. There's really good value pack, and it looks super cute box as well. They got everything here. Magic brow. See, when you open it up, look at that. Everything's full sizes, and everything that I use except the gel. This one I haven't used, but Cara have it and she loved it. My friend that we did the unbox together in the past, and have the brush here as well to use, so it's extended like so. So that's something I could be using as well. I haven't used gel brows product for a long time. Everything else is there. I'm already using them, so it's more like a restock with really good price. There you go. Maybe I can keep this for the brow product because it's so cute. Look at them, so I can separate brow product on one side. Not a bad idea. See, 40% off. It's like such a great price. I love it. So that's the two things I bought from benefit. Then I go to Mac counter. In Maya was so crazy. Long queue, so I decided to go to Mac in David Jones. It's little less people, and the price are the same. I have this pack here for $34.30. So they have a mini prep and prime fix, which is really good, and I have the fast response eye cream. Heard a good thing about it, I haven't used it, and strobing cream, which I have a bigger sample size of that, and it lasts me a long time. So this I'm almost finished with that one because I mix it with my foundation just to get that luminous colors going, and yeah, and I really like it. So if you guys go out and still see this, or you can buy this online at MAC as well. A lot of stuff is on sale on MAC website themselves. It's really good, and keep this category. You haven't tried any of this stuff. These 3 products is really good. So I'm almost buy something else, but I know I have a lot of makeup already, so I'm gonna stick with what I know I'm going to use. Then almost last I went to Burberry, and no, like when I was in David Jones, I also went to Burberry. So it's like, oh, I really miss fresh glow foundation from Burberry. It's one of my absolute very favorite. Not full coverage, but it's really good. The packaging is great, quality amazing, and my color is warm honey. And open it up, it look like that, and this lasts a long time. I remember I had it for if you use every day, maybe it lasts you like 6 months, I think. But I miss it, so I'm gonna buy. It wasn't on sale, but Burberry product is really good, and not many people talk about it a lot, but the quality and the color is really good. Lipstick amazing. Oh my god, like they lipstick are so good. I have quite a few of them, and I'm very happy that the Burberry counter come back to David Jones. Oops, go blur. There you go. So Burberry, that is Fresh Glow. Then I have a sample of a Illuminous Base Fruit as well. Just a little sample there. Cool. For free. Then have the gift pack. It wasn't on sale, but it's a better value for money. Oh my god, why is it blurring? Okay, it's better value for money from Burberry as well. So let's take the sleeve out. I can reuse the box as well, and what in here is, let's open it up. Nice, it's elastic. Very good. I have Fresh Gold Nude Radiant number 1, which is the base, and I tried them on my hand. I didn't try on my face because I have foundation on already, and it's absorbed to your skin straight away, and it's not too tacky. This could be the primer that I might be in love with, but I will let you know. We're gonna try them on Burberry makeup together, and I will let you know about the base. The girl on the counter said a lot of good things about it. The eyeshadow stick and the lipstick. So what color does it come in? Eye color contour in pale nude 102 and Burberry Kisses coffee red on number 103. This might end up go to my mom. This too. I just want to try this base here, and that's from Burberry. And because they are so nice, they gave me a free gift as well, and I got no idea what's in here. Right, Oslo, he's here. I got some water. So it's a pretty big box. I got no idea what's in here. Oh, I got the Burberry bag. So it's the makeup bag. Oops. With Fresh Glow Illuminate Base, another one. So I got 2 of these. I might keep one to my mom. Just feel really nice. It's good for traveling and put some stuff. So I'm gonna put stuff in here for my mom and ready to go. And that's all for my home for now. And you wanna see Oslo? Oslo, come here. Hey, mister. Oh, yes, I got you. Wow. And I got a little helper here. Not so little, isn't he? Hey, hey, hello. So make sure, share with me. Do you get the same thing on your Boxing Day shopping, or what did you get? What interesting? I don't know. I'm gonna get so broke. And comment below if. Sorry, I don't know what's wrong with the camera. Okay. Make sure you comment down below. Sorry, and give it a thumb up, and also if you can subscribe to my channel and check out the other video as well, and share the love of shopping for makeup and see what do you pick up on the sale season, not just Boxing Day. Do you pick up some stuff that I pick up? The same thing is a foundation from Burberry that you like or not, or anything that you want to share. You have similar skin tone and other stuff, so just sharing is caring. And my camera just get very blur, doesn't it? You like this thing? It's not cat toy, not for cat. Ow, ow, Oslo. Thank you for watching, guys. Bye. Say bye. Say bye, everyone. Make sure you subscribe and watch Oslo on Oslo YouTube as well, because I'm famous and do some cat review of cat food and see the cat tree.